is another winner, another customer top-rated, beloved item in the assortment from Sweet Heritage from Carla Hall. This is the Sweet Heritage Ruffled Sweetie Pie baking dish. It's stoneware, it's oven safe to 572 degrees, and it's dishwasher and freezer safe. So there's so many uses that you can use this for. Lots of you loving it for your casseroles, your cornbread, a chicken pot pie and pumpkin pie. And it's the first day we're showing it to you at this low price. This is the corn flour. Then so that's your blue. Then we have the mushroom. And then we have the sage. And we're going to show you one more colour on QVC.com, which is the tomato. They keep saying tomato in my ear, but I'm sorry, I just can't. I can't bring myself to say it as a British person. Any more than you at home could say tomato. It's like, it just feels so wrong. So stay with me. You're saving $16. Carla, you get it. Come on.
I get it. I lived in London. Tomato, tomato.
Exactly.
I say water, water.
Yes,
you know,
exactly.
I totally get it. And let me tell you why I developed this pan and why I love this sweetie pie. Because it has a 2-inch deep, the 2-inch deep drop, which is so perfect. The ruffled edge holds onto crust. These handles, which you can grab, it is just beautiful. Dishwasher safe, like you said, all of the things. And this tomato color goes with my set. Now, yes, and you know why I wanted that deep pan? Because I like crust. When I do a pie, I want the filling, right, the filling. I want filling to crust ratio, okay? But it's not just for sweets. I know we're talking on sweetie pie. I have something to pull out of the oven. So yummy. So I've got a pizza dip here.
Ooh.
Now, this pan goes up to 570 degrees. Let me tell you, things are gonna get hot up in here, and look at this, just look at this dip. Come on, are you kidding me?
Oh, that is cheesy, delicious perfection.
Right, pepperoni on top. You've got mozzarella cheese, you've got cream cheese, you've got a little bit of mayonnaise. It is not low fat, it is all the goodness. I'm just telling you right now. Okay, so this is just, think about whatever you need to put in this. Now, I want to show you these bowls over here. So when I am making these pies and these dips, I have my stackable bowls, which come, you know, they come like this. Now, we are not necessarily, you're going to talk about these. These are my measuring cups. Everything has the okra flour.
Well, let's talk about that actually, Carla. Because, you know, I'd love you to share a little bit about Sweet Heritage and the okra flour and what that means to you.
So the okra flour is a nod to my African-American heritage. And also, I wanted to do something very modern with what my grandmother was using in her corningware when I was growing up in Nashville, Tennessee. And I always talk about my granny. I love her. She was like, it is your job to be happy, not to be rich.
Oh.
And she loved beauty. Yes, and I love it. This makes me feel like a modern day granny, and I'm absolutely the auntie, you know. So I love all of these, and I love how they stack. So the one thing that I did in these, I used the okra flour. Here I'm showing in this 2-cup measure 2 okra flours. That means 2 cups. 1 okra flour, 1 cup. And then you will see 1 1/4. So you don't have the numbers here because I'm swapping them out and using them in different ways. I can freeze them. They can go in the freezer. They can go in the dishwasher. They can go in the oven. So you are using these with everything else. So everything fits together. That was the intention.
Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful set. Right now, we've just got a minute left on the on this beautiful sweetie pie dish. So let's get into it. The color that we're looking at right now, actually, let's start here. This is the corn flour. This is your blue with that gorgeous drop, so you can see that you get that incredible crust that Carla was showing us. Then we have the mushroom, and then we also have the sage, and we're going to show you the red as well, which is the tomato on QVC.com. $14.99 on clearance. And think about this. This isn't just for pies. There are so many other ways in which you can cook with this beautiful baking dish. It is customer top rated. So many of you have absolutely loved it, and it's the first day we're showing it at this low price. So take advantage of the free shipping. Give us a call to order, 800-500-7590. Your item number is K895566. No, K89566. Okay, so we don't have time.